So here we are at lunchtime in the Estrella dining room. I've never had one before. A fish taco. How you like that, Meg? A fish taco. And I'm not in the taco bar, I'm in the main dining room.
Where's the taco part of it?
You see the taco part, that big yellow thing in the bottom, big yellow circle? Fish is laying on top, and then there's some garnishment. Yeah.
How you gonna pick that up?
I'm not going to pick it up. I'm going to eat it with a fork. Because there's no way I can pick this up.
It's a huge piece of fish.
It is, it smells divine. So we'll see what it tastes like. Once again, I've never had a fish taco because the thought of it is repulsive to me. But today, I'm going to give it a whirl. A little bit of the shell, a little bit of the fish. I have been cheating myself. That was something I could have been eating all this time. This is good. It's a corn tortilla. Would be what's a hard shell, but the fish has kind of softened it up. And the fish in it is a very mellow white fish. This is great. And it's got cabbage on it, believe it or not. Cabbage and the red salsa. And the combination works extremely well. Let me say, I'm going to eat all this right now. So, bon appetit.